So hey guys, this is Realme GT2 Master Explorer Edition. So let's check out it. Alright, the phone back is looking different and it comes with classic straight edges with corner guard edges and metal rivets and leather finish like back, which Realme calls hard case legendary device. Really, I like this design. On the right side we have power button, volume rockers on the left hand side. At the bottom we have speaker grill, type C port, microphone and SIM card slot. For the gamers, the device comes with two pressure sensitive shoulder buttons on the right side, and the phone has dual stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos games support as well. The Realme GT2 Master Explorer Edition has a 6.7 inches AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It also supports HDR10 plus. The display also comes with 720Hz touch sampling rate and under display fingerprint sensor, and you get a 5000 mAh battery which supports 100W fast charging speed. This is also Realme's first phone to come with a GaN charger. GaN stands for gallium nitride. It reduces heat by up to 85% with the new GaN charger. The device will charge 0 to 100 in just 25 minutes. Realme GT2 Master Edition is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor along with 8 and 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, which delivers outstanding performance. This is the Realme's first smartphone with SD 8 Plus Gen 1. And finally, you get a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 with OIS main camera, a 50 megapixel 150-degree ultra-wide sensor and a 2 megapixel micro lens. On the front, it has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So this is all about GT2 Explorer Edition, and what do you think about this device? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Make sure like and subscribe.